bond between a father and son is a journey, much like the trails we walk together or the overland journeys that we decide to take together. It's built step by step, sometimes through laughter, sometimes through pain, discovery, and even the quiet moments of just simply being together. The mountains, the sky, the lakes, the rivers, the trees, they all remind us of the importance of reaching higher, of pushing beyond our limits, not just in nature, but also in life. Out here, the distractions fade, and what remains is something pure. It's connection. It's adventure. In the crisp mountain air, we're reminded that the greatest gift we can give each other, it isn't things, it's time. We only have so much of it, don't we? There's time to explore, time to share stories, time to help each other figure out who we are, and simply to just marvel at the world around us. Together, we learn resilience and patience and gratitude for just the simple little wonders of life. And in these moments, I'm not just his guide.
Watch my line.
I'm his companion. I'm his teacher. And I'm a father who's grateful
This car is getting
for
a
every
workout
step
today.
that we take together.